to relax. You feel your back muscle, your own spine, full of warm energy. Start to relax. Feel your face, your eyes, your nose, and the mouth. Start to relax. Every time you breathe, you feel you take a lot fresh energy. Now turn around your body arm, come to me, face to me arm. We practice balance practice. Before we practice this thing, sense move, special for wake up energy work. Now we start to practice balance. Now you standing like this to prepare. Now your body almost 70% in this side. Okay, now you slowly hold the leg. Put here. If you can now put here, you feel like or move. Now you just stay here. You stay here. Especially for new people who can't come here. Just stay here. Now hands together. And after that, you can slowly up your head. Yes. You can look at the floor in front of your floor. Look at the space. Concentrate your breathe. Concentrate your breathe. Yes. To try to keep balance. Breathe deeply. Slowly, very good. Try to open your chest to feel your spine stretching. One more time. This time, slowly come back. Very good. Now we change another leg. Again, relax. Yes, prepare yourself. After that, hold the leg. Yeah. Put anywhere you can put. Here, hold leg, anywhere you can put. And after that, anywhere from here to down. Hands together. Yes. Most important, keep balance. Uga. Open your chest. Concentrate on your breathe. Breathe deeply. Yeah. These kind of balance practice, special practice our nervous system. To practice how to control our emotions.